Hey friends, if you encounter the error cannot open services.msc, how to fix services not opening responding on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. Now, we need to understand that if services.msc itself is not opening, then we are in a very difficult situation. So try the following solutions one by one. The first one is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. This will fix missing and corrupt files if that is required. And the next one is clean boot. Why? Because it may be that a third party software product, especially games, are interfering with this function because games need certain services and they prevent you from changing it. So to be sure that this is not the issue, here's what you have to do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Go to Services, hide on Microsoft Services. If any of the services checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to Open System Restore. Select choose a different restore point. Next, Windows Update. Next, Finish. And then finally click on Yes to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.